What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine's World. Today we are going to be doing the boho braids. First and foremost, excuse the noise in the background. My baby is out here playing with toys and stuff. So, but anyways, so we are going to be doing the boho braids, and we're going to be using the Shake and Grow Q 3X jumbo hair. You guys see that? We're going to be using that in the color 4, and also we are going to be using the Freetress braid GoGo curl, and that's going to be number 4 as well. And the spray bottle, just in case we come across tangles. I don't want to have to like fight with her hair or anything. Of course, I love using shea butter when it's time to do some braids. Royalties hair edge hold, we're going to be using that. We'll wrap it all up with the Avalon Affirm Care foam wrap. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it doesn't matter. Foam wrap is foam wrap. This Loctite super glue for the ends. This hairstyle is going to be a whole lot like the Hawaiian braids. If you looked at my previous tutorials, you'll see how I've done that. Look, she just got a perfect ponytail. I haven't done anything, just pulled her hair. Look how perfect her ponytail is. I want this. Alright, as you guys just seen, I just wet the hair. Now I'm just going to rub it down with a little bit of shea butter to get it a little bit softer, so that way I can comb through it and detangle it a little bit easier, as I'm doing now. Alright, and now I'm just going to take some Royalties Bold Hold Edge Control to put on the roots of her hair, so that way I can have a better grip and it's nice and shiny and neat after I braid it. So first we're going to take that Q braiding hair, and we're going to go ahead and start off the braid with that. Now that we're getting towards the end, we're going to go ahead and grab a piece of the Freetress crochet hair, and we're going to add a piece of that, and we're going to braid in one part and leave the other side hanging out, as you can see. So I just flipped it up and just made a grip and just started braiding around it until it locked into place. It may take a couple of tries of you, or a couple of tries with you practicing this, but there is no special way to do it. You just gotta kind of try it and figure out what works for you. And now at the end, we're gonna add a last piece of the Freetress hair again to end the braid off with that, because at the end we want the curly end. We don't want the braiding hair. We don't want the straight end. What's up, my loves? If you are enjoying what you see, go ahead and take this time to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. I love keeping up with you guys, so go ahead and leave a comment or message of your thoughts, questions, etc. Thanks. Mwah. Now we're pretty much finished with the braid, so at this point we're going to go ahead and grab the super glue. We're going to put that a little bit before, like a half an inch above where my braid ended, and voila. Yes, you guys, and we have completed our braiding process. Now, as you can see, I'm just getting them baby hairs laid. Yes, yes, and she has some beautiful baby hairs, so we snatching those real quick. Oh, and by the way, y'all, please forgive me for this janky background. I am like taking over this area. I'm just setting it up and getting new. I'm getting adjusted to it, and of course this YouTube thing is brand spanking new to me, so I'm figuring it out along the way. But in the future, I promise y'all, it's gonna get a whole lot better. It's gonna be a lot better to look at. But yes, as you can see, we are almost finished, and yeah, she's looking bad. Yes. Now just spritzing down the hair, getting it all wet, so that way I can do the next step to get the hair all moving and shiny the way I need it to be. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take that foam wrap and go ahead and put that all over the place. One, it's good for the ends and managing the ends, as well as it helps bring in all those flyaway hairs that may be there. It just helps snatch it, just helps get it all together. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and trim her ends, get it all cleaned up and even, and we are done, baby.